tired of binging, but 23 billion minutes of it? New data pointing to a pivotal moment in the streaming wars. Julia Borson's got all the details. Julia.
Melissa, this summer marks a key tipping point for the entertainment industry. For the very first time, linear TV viewership fell below half of all TV usage in July. That's according to a new report from Nielsen. So that 23 billion viewing minutes number you referenced, that was viewing of Suits on Netflix and Peacock and Bluey on Disney+. Now, those two shows were July's most watched streaming programs. The success of decade-old Suits speaks to Netflix's ability to mine old content and turn it into a big new hit. Guggenheim writing, quote, "We see the unique strength of YouTube, 9.2% viewing share, and Netflix, 8.5%, as particularly noteworthy, given the ubiquity of competing streaming services. These two industry leaders combined for nearly as much viewing as total broadcast television. They also accounted for 70% of streaming industry growth in the month." So now the strength of streaming growth will be threatened by rising prices. It's what I'm calling streamflation. The top 6 streaming services without ads will cost $87 this fall. That's up from $73 a year ago. So we'll have to see if consumers opt for lower cost ad-supported options or if they start to drop some of these subscriptions. So, Melissa, the cost of that bundle of all of those streamers this fall, that's actually more than basic cable TV.
Wow. Julie, and I like streamflation. That is catchy. Julie Borson, good job on that. Thank you. Why are you laughing? Some people invent terms and they're not catchy and they're not funny. They're not. They make no sense.
Story of my life. All the things I do.
Streamflation is perfect.
It's perfect. How do you trade this? Scream. What do you call it?
Streamflation.
Streamflation. Well, apparently, quickly. Nancy's been with us for years. You don't see Nancy, but she's
we could see her if the jib turns around.
If the jib turned around. But in the break, she's like, you're the father on this Bluey thing. Right. I don't know this Bluey.
Which one can stream.
But apparently it's a cartoon. So I either thank her or not thank her. I'm not sure. Netflix, though, if you go back to last April, it took a pause around $3.90, and Steve has pointed this out. Doesn't mean it's broken. Netflix is still the best in show. But I think if you're looking for an entry point, you got to wait to that level. We're probably about $20 or so from it. I think it's going to get there, Milms.
Yeah. Grasso. Oh, by the way, Nancy, this might have been her debut, maybe the second or third time but we saw her in that
did we?
shot.
Oh, it's outstanding.
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
Where?
She's hiding. We saw her.
In the shadows.
Grasso.
Excellent. Everybody loves Nancy. So when you look at Netflix, I do agree with Guy's level. I'd even go a little bit lower than that. There's been a couple of tailwinds for Netflix. Obviously, it was the password sharing crackdown. Then it was the writer's strike because they just already have so much more content than everybody else. It's their share to lose. But to Guy's point, when you look at the chart, it has been roaring above its 50-day and above the rest of its moving averages for quite some time. It's dipped below now. So if you look at this chart, it looks like it wants to go lower. There's not a whole heck of a lot of other streamers to play, but all the air has come out of like a Comcast because Comcast is associated with that linear side of the television business. But I think people are overlooking some of the other players in this space, in streaming, because Netflix has definitely sucked up all the air in the room.
Yeah. Or is this a story of people pay up for these packages? They will accept streamflation because they will cut back on other areas of entertainment because it's a lot cheaper to pay $83 a month or whatever the ultimate cost is for a bundle of these streamers versus actually go someplace or go to the movies.
But there's also the issue of you have so many competitors and some of them are just not going to be able to hang on anymore. Right?
Yeah.
So well, I don't know. We'll see if they combine or what. One thing I just want to point out, though, that YouTube number, and that's something Gene Munster talks a lot about, is not the streamers, but the YouTube, the TikToks, whoever. That's where eyeballs are going. So it's Netflix to lose. I dipped my toe in Disney, and now my toe is
still there, not barely
partially.
There? Yeah. Okay.